Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back to this channel. Today I will be showing you how to do a spiral necklace using 4 fishing lines, and this was what I promised on my previous video, that if I get a comment that video was understood or you get the work, I will be uploading another video or another tutorial using 4 fishing lines. And thanks to all your comments, this is why we are going to be doing this necklace today. So let's get started. Here are the things needed to do this necklace. I will recommend that you use 0.35 mm fishing line to do this necklace, and please have your working tools close by. I am using size 6 crystal bead and size 2 seed bead to do this work. Here are my needles in case I want to fix them on my fishing lines. You can cut out 4 fishing lines. You have to tie a knot, leaving about 3 inches to fit your hook later or for any extension. Next, pass 5 seed beads on each fishing lines. And pick up 1 seed bead to interlock with. If you get confused with this, please watch my previous video. I will put the card up here. If you click the link, it will take you direct to the video. So having said that, I will pick up 2 fishing line on my right and drop the 2 fishing line on my left. I will repeat the same thing with the both fishing line, the same step. I'm going to repeat the same step, meaning 5 seed bead and interlocking with 1 seed bead. So this is the shape you are going to get. This is where we are going to be adding the hook. Next step is to start to add the crystal. I will be picking 5 seed bead with 1 fishing line, and in the other fishing line I will pick up 1 crystal and 1 seed bead. I will now use the seed beads to interlock. To continue, we will now pick the 2 fishing line that will drop the one on my left. We will not pick that one, and if you take a closer look, the fishing line that is close to the crystal that we interlock, that is the fishing line that you will be picking up your 5 seed bead in. The next fishing line, we will add now our crystal and one seed bead and interlock with the seed bead. Repeat the same to the other side, and this is how I will continue until I get the desired length. I will continue a little bit to show you the work, and then I will show you how I do the finishing work. I'm still going to be picking one fishing line here and add to this one here. So my two rights, I will pick it and I will start to work with either the two at the left or the two at the right. So but the only thing you have to take note is that the fishing line that is on top the crystal is where the sand bead is going. I am going to be using these 4 layers to do my design. Remember, I still need to show you how to conclude or close your finishing work. To do the finishing, you can use the same method you started this necklace with. That is what I did with the other orange color. But for this design, I will be closing it differently. Why? Because I want to redesign this necklace. So I will be doing another design with this spiral necklace you just saw. If you want to see that design, all you have to do is to drop a comment and I will be glad to upload that video as well. So to do my finishing work, all I have to do is to pick up 5 seed beads, and in the other fishing line I will pick up only 1 seed bead and interlock with that. I will repeat the same to the other 2 fishing line, and next I will now pass my fishing line through 1 seed bead and through the crystal and work my way down as much as I can before I would now cut out my fishing line. You can as well make a knot before you cut your fishing line. I think I don't need to show you how I face the hook. You can as well watch the previous video to see how I face the hook. And yes, this is the necklace. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and as well share the video. That will mean a lot. Thank you very much, my lovely friends, and hope to see you guys again in the next tutorial. Bye.